how to install Yahoo Fantasy app, Fantasy Football. So just tap get and then you can just install it. So play fantasy sports with the best games for every fan. Play season-long football, survival and daily fantasy football. Season is here. So there are a bunch of fantasy football apps out there, but this is the top ones. Is one of the top ones. This is #1 rated fantasy sports app to play fantasy football, fantasy baseball, fantasy basketball, fantasy hockey, daily fantasy. They voted the best fantasy sports app and like bunch of other things. So you can see here that. It has over 500,000 ratings, and then you can just open it up and then you can just go in here, just accept all things, and then you can read the news, you can see your dashboard. But to do all of these things, you just need to sign in with your Yahoo account, and then you can just enjoy this app. But so you just need to sign in here to continue using this app. So that's basically how you get started.